Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with 11 trades. Today's date is November the 18th and I'm using my new Pro Trader trading system. Now every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, and I happen to be on the 5-minute time frame, and this time frame is great for traders who love to scalp on the markets on a 5-minute time frame. Of course, using the super signal indicator. That's this box that pops up along with these arrows to buy or sell. As you can clearly see, it catches the ups and the down cycles. Perfect. Like I said, I did 11 trades, hovering around between 6:30 and 7:30, and I closed them all out around the same time, 8:30 approximately, as I am done trading for the day when most people are only starting their day job. That's why I love trading, as it gives me a lot of time to do as I please. Now at 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm going through the instruments. I'm looking at the daily trade plan. We can take a look at that. Here it is right here. I took a screenshot about 10 after 6 this morning. And took all the trades taken directly from the daily trade plan. Using that, along with my Pro Trader, trying to get in at a good entry point. Remember, it's very important that you have some kind of a daily trade plan. If you don't know how to put one together, well, this is an excellent EA that runs in real time, minute by minute. Every 30 minutes, things can change. 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, it can change. So you have to know whether you should be buying and or selling. If you are not winning at your trading, this is one of the main reasons why you are losing, because you don't have a daily trade plan. So now we can get into these trades. First one, Euro Aussie. Sold it. There's the arrow. Now the trades were relatively short, so I dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a reading. And once I saw it bouncing around over here, well, I knew the party was over, so time to close out the trade. In at this point, out here with about 4 pips. Looks like those 4 pips paid $336. Moving on to the next trade, the Euro CAD. This is one that I wanted to be buying right from the daily trade plan. There's the arrow. Let's see where I got in at. Started to move up. There's your buy signal. Setup candle here. Trigger candle here. Would have been great to buy right about here, but you can only trade it when you see it. Now mind you, I'm running a lot of trades, and of course the pop-up alert comes, and then, like I said, I took the trade, went up, went down, went back up. So I closed it out, looks like, with about 10 pips here. And those 10 pips ended up paying out $749. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Swiss. This one I wanted to be buying directly from the daily trade plan. Here we go, buy signal here and here. And that's why I took the trade. It went up and down and up. And keep in mind, when I close out the trades, it is because I know I have at least, as you can see down at the bottom, at least 200. So when this says 20, and shows 33 right now, so 20 or more lets me know that I've got 200 pips or more. And that's when I would generally close out the trades being happy. So getting back to this trade on the pound Swiss, got in at this cursor and I closed it out at this cursor, looks like with 9 pips. And happen to know that on the pound Swiss it pays just a bit more than $10 for each pip if you're doing one standard lot. So 10 pips times the money times the lots paid out $1,049. Moving on to the next trade, pound CAD, another one I wanted to be buying straight from the daily trade plan. There's your arrow, bought it, went up and down and up. The market is very random. And let's see where I closed out the trade being happy. Looks like with 14 pips. And those 14 pips ended up paying out $1,124. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. This one here I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow. I manually put in this arrow to remind me that I want to be selling. Teach exactly how to trade this way. Wait for the little bit better entry. Almost perfect entry. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here. Not too bad. It only went a little bit further, around 53, but I was happy with looks like 41 pips, and those 41 pips ended up paying out $2,541. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. Now we're getting into the instruments that move a lot more and pay a lot more. All the way from here down, you'll notice that these, like I said, produce a lot more. Anyhow, this one does pay $20 for each tick. And so I took the money and divided it by 20. And the calculator says it's actually 15.2. So let's see on this NASDAQ where I got in at. Obviously be better here or here to get in. But this is where I took the trade knowing that it could go a little bit against me. The market is very random and it doesn't bother me that much on these pullbacks. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits, so it's 15 times the 20 times the 10 lots paid out $3,040. Moving on to the next trade, the Dow Jones. Now this one pays $5 for each tick. Again, another trade. There was the buy signal there and there, another one here and here. Going in the direction of the daily trade plan. And I ended up closing it out here, looks like with 61. And by the way, that's what the calculator says after I figured it out. So it's 61 times the $5 times the 10 lots, paid $3,050. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. Here we go. Now the S&P 500, for each tick you get $5. So I took the money, divided it by 5, and calculator says it is 65 ticks. Took the trade, stop was pretty small, and away it goes. In real time, the stop should have been below here, but as it was going up, I moved it up a little bit tighter. That's called trade management. You must master that, and don't forget you have to master money management. Very important. Got in at this cursor and close it out here. There it is right there. You remove the last digit, so it's 65 times 5 times the 10 lots paid out $3,250. Okay, moving right along to Russell. This one pays $10 for each tick, so this one I don't need a calculator. Should be 49. So, buy signals here, move up, sideways, another shift up. This is the way the market moves. What did I say? 49. Looks like I got out at the right price. And, well, there it is. I managed to get it. You remove the last digit, so it's 49 times the 10 times the 10 lots. It paid out $4,900. Okay, moving on to the DAX 30. This one pays $3.75 for each tick. Some days, like let's back it up a little bit here. Look at this huge move. And in this blue box, it's 1480. If you ever want to know how to double your account, all you got to do is get 1,334. Because if you take 1334 times the $3.75, you'll see that it will double your account. Now, during the New York, it did not make the same move. But on the DAX 30, you don't need a huge move to make some pretty good money. Waited for the pullback, either here or anywhere through here would have been good. I got in at a fairly good entry. I knew that it was going to go exactly like this. After you look at the charts for thousands and thousands of hours, I have over 50,000 hours of chart reading in. So I know exactly what the charts are going to do with about a 95% accuracy. And let's see. Calculator said it should be 135. Well, looks like I'm not going to be able to get it right on. There's 138, 133. But anyhow, you can use a calculator and you'll see that it is 135 times the money times the 10 lots paid out $5,062. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is crude oil. Another one I wanted to be selling from the daily trade plan. There's the arrow. Let's see where I got in at. There's your sell arrow. Got in at this candle. And looking at the money, it does pay $10 on each one, so it should be 88 ticks. And it could have made 370, but like I said, I was happy at this point with 88. And 88 times the $10 times the 10 lots paid out $8,800. So it turned out to be another great day of trading. Great way to end the week of trading. I knew it was going to be over 300 ticks. Added up all the pips and the ticks. Grand total was 492 pips and ticks. And all of those ticks paid out $33,903. So if your system is not producing like my Pro Trader system, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget the daily trade plan, a must-have. If you want some more information, if you look right below this video, you'll see 4 different packages. Now I have a special limited time offer. If you buy 2, I'll give you one of the other packages of your choice, or any package that I may have. I'll give you a package for free. So here's the Pro Trader system. Each and every package I have is $250. I teach the secrets to successfully trading the markets. Has over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now, of course, there's a grand total of 4 packages I'm going to go through. I'm not going to read everything, but this one here has not only a lot of bonus material, it also comes with 22 training videos because there's many ways to trade the markets. Each video is about 30 minutes long. And here's the daily trade plan, expert advisor, 3 videos just covering the EA. So let's say you bought these 2. Well, you can take one of these 2 packages for free. The Easy Trader system with the Super Signal indicator, 3 videos focusing on the indicator, or you can take How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips. There's over 2 gigabytes. This one here also has a lot of training videos, 20 of them, about 20 minutes to 30 minutes long each. Now, all the main training videos are in the Pro Trader system and in How I Trade Live. So these 2 packages are very important because that's where the bulk of the training videos are. So as I mentioned earlier, at any point in time, put the video on pause, read everything. And of course, if you have any questions, quite simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, simple again, just send me an email. Here's my email address. Remember to put in the underscore right here. And I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link. We'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. Keep in mind I do all of that with no obligation to you. So anyhow, time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, probably Monday, between now and then, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Have a great weekend. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.